Hi, I'm Anrie from Tentworld in Warana, and today we're going to be talking about this Coleman 12-inch rechargeable fan. The Coleman fan here has some really awesome features. Let's dive in. On this one here, we've got LED lights that turn on from this button in the middle. We've got the option there of using charging cables or the battery. Two settings there for your fan speed, and we also have an oscillating head, which means it's going to turn around and spread that air through the tent for you. What we all love about this Coleman fan is how easy it is to use. Let's dive in and have a look. So on the fan here, we've got our settings down the bottom. So either our 240 or 12 volt, which we'll use these handy cables provided, so 12 volt or 240. We can run that plugged in so while it's charging, or if you've got it charged up, you can switch it over to that battery setting there, and that'll use the lithium battery that's built into the fan. Once we've got it on that setting, we can turn our lights on using that handy middle button. And we also have two settings, so we've got our low setting and our high setting for those really hot days. On the back here, if we give them a spin around, we've got this handy knob, and if you turn that one there, it turns on the oscillating feature, which allows the fan to move the air around the room for us as well. Thank you so much for watching our video. I hope you guys found that really helpful. If you've got any more questions, pop in store, online, or give us a call at Tentworld, and we'll be happy to help. Happy camping!